Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to make secure payments on eBay. So firstly, let's open eBay application on our device and then find the item you want to buy. For example, this one, and tap on it to open the details of this item. So before you make a purchase, before you tap this button "Buy it now," you need to check if this product has eBay money back guarantee. To find it, scroll down until you see the section Shop with Confidence section, and here you see eBay money back guarantee. So this item has this guarantee, and basically this guarantee means that your purchase is protected if anything goes wrong. So okay, this is the steps before making a purchase and what you should do when checkout. So press button "Buy it now," and when you here at the checkout page, as you can see, this item cannot be shipped to my region, so I will select another one. Okay, those products are not able to be sent to my country. Let's try this one. Okay, so I have opened the checkout page, and here you need to choose your payment method. So secure payment options include PayPal, Apple Pay, credit card, or debit card linked through eBay, because these methods keep your transaction protected, and they let you dispute a charge if something suspicious happens. So here in this section, Pay With, you can select your payment method. What else? You should never agree to pay with wire transfers and also gift cards, or for example sending money directly to a seller's bank account outside of eBay, because that is probably a scam. So if a seller asks you to do anything outside of the application, cancel this transaction immediately. And after you make your payment, you will get an immediate confirmation in the application and by email. And always keep this confirmation until your item arrives safely to your home. But if the item doesn't show tracking updates or something feels wrong after payment, go back to my eBay section at the bottom side of your screen, scroll down and tap Help. So this is Help and Contact Center, and here you can start a case through the eBay Resolution Center. So that's basically Help and Contact Center. Here you can, in the searching field, you can type your problem, or if the problem doesn't match, you can scroll until the very down and press this button "Contact Us," and then proceed by following the on-screen steps. I think that's all for that topic, how to make secure payments on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.